Hello, in this video I want to show you how to analyze clustered index by some DMVs and DBCC commands. This one is my script. First we want to use tempdb. Then we create a table which it has customer ID, first name, last name, NICN, telephone, and other columns which the data type is int, ncar, 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 and car, and it has default value for population. Okay, successfully done. Now I want to insert 100,000 records. It's quite slow because it's a virtual machine, but it roughly takes around 25 or 30 seconds. Depends to the virtual machine. It's going more than that. Okay, done. Now I want to check how many data pages is created, how many is the total pages in our table, and how many used pages. The type of the pages is in row data and 100,000. The index ID is 0, means it's heap. Heap object is a simple table without any index. Okay, now I want to create clustered index. Okay, primary key clustered on customer ID. Then after that I want to rebuild it to reorganize, and I don't want to have any fragmentation. Now I want to check my 100,000 records in clustered object. Okay, the data pages is decreased and total pages as well, use pages, and index ID is 1. It determines that it's clustered index. Okay, now I want to check the levels of clustered index. Yes, we have 3 levels in this clustered index. Level 0 means our data level or leaf level, which contains 2,500 pages and 100,000 records, and minimum, max, and average record size as well, which is our record size in each page. The level 1, which is non-leaf level or intermediate level, the page count is 5 and it contains 2,500 records, which this number is exactly this one. It's related, it's pointing to these pages, and minimum and maximum and average is 11 byte. Why 11 byte? Actually, it's 1 byte for overhead, 6 byte for page pointer, and the rest, which is the 4, is our integer because we used customer ID as our clustered key. Okay, then I want to check all of my pages in our tempdb database and customers table. Now this one is all of our pages, which is 2,507. This 7 pages is the system pages. Okay, the first one, which you can see, there is no next page ID and previous page ID. Okay, is the root one, and the rest is the intermediate and data pages. Now we check. I want to insert this data in one table and query it. Now I want to insert all the result of DBCC int to dbcc int store table. Then after that, query it. Okay, as you can see here, index level 2 is the root 1, page file ID 1, page ID is 5370, and next page ID and the previous page ID is 0. Okay, and number 1, which is 5 rows, is 5 intermediate level pages. Okay, means non-leaf level, and the 0, 1 is our data. Okay, as you can see here, 2507. Okay, now I want to select customer ID 45340, which I don't know in which page it exists. I want to analyze it, this customer. Okay, how to analyze it, how SQL Server goes and analyze it. First, let's turn on 3604 trace. It's showing all information about dbcc in the messages. So I want to check what was the first. I need to check the root 5370. 5370, but dbcc int let me copy it. I can do it here as well. Okay, I execute it. You can see that it pointing at the intermediate level, page ID, row level, which is the root 1, child field, child page ID, and the customer key. I want to search 45, so 45 must be in page, the second page, isn't it? So where's the child page ID 5369? Check here, 5369. Okay. Oh, our customer IDs are here. Okay, 4, 5. We need to search for that. Okay, but somewhere around here. Okay, 4, 5, 3, 40, which is must be between this one, means that in this page. It exists in this page. 6509. 6509. Now I select it. Now you will see all of our record. Let me search it here. 45340. Yes, it found that our record here. This one is our record metadata, and this one is our record binary. Here, customer ID, first name, last name, and NICN, telephone, and other. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helps you much. Thank you.